No. Why do we need this? Sa tingin ko, mayroong mga creatures dito. May nakakatakot dito. Okay, again. Okay. I'm not gonna miss this one. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, this. Jump. Oh. Okay, we need to click this. Okay. We need to click. We need to lock in. Okay.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, perfect. No. Perfect. Good. Ooh, okay. That's cool. Okay. This good, right? I think. Oh, okay. Guardian Dagger. So, puro copper to. Gagawa lang tayo. So, anong gagawin natin ngayon? So, mag-create lang tayo ng mga weapons. Ganun lang ba gagawin natin? What? I'm clicking. I think I'm lagging. What up guys, welcome back sa panibagong video. In today's video, we're back from Roblox. And this Roblox game is called, what is it called again? This is, alright, balik lang tayo sandali. Alright, this game is The Forge. Hindi ko alam kung bakit The Forge yung pangalan nito at hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin nun. So, simulan na tayo. Alright. So, merong araw na pinapakita sa atin sa tingin ko dito muna tayo pupunta. Okay, Sensei Moro. And ito ay, okay, character yan. Ito ay NPC. So, tignan natin siya. Ano yung spirit in the village? Good. We need a bright spark these days. If you already are, then we will finally start this introduction. Let's start. Alright. You will gather all your ores and forge your own equipment. Come on. I can't wait. Take this little pouch and gold a humble start of but
Nope.
genius.
FBI, open up!
Okay. We got human, we got elf, zombie, goblin, undead, orc, dwarf, shadow, minotaur, dragonborn, golem, angel, demon. Okay, so we got 3 spins. Okay, spin. What do we get? We got elf. Whoa! I got ears. That's cool. Well, let's try to get the zombie. Okay, we got it. Let's try to get the. Okay, this is only one. So, you know what? Let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's get the goblin. Let's get it. Come on. Oh, Shadow! What?
Damn!
Okay, guys. Shadow is 6%.
What the f?
What? Okay, hindi ko makita yung sarili ko. Okay, so close tayo. At what? Okay, click muna natin to. Equipment. So, bibigyan muna tayo ng mga basics. So, equip this. Okay, now, start by mining some pebbles. Mine 6 pebbles. Okay, gotcha. What? Dude, my character is sick. Kita niyo yan? Shadow talaga ako. Pwede ba tayo tumakbo? Okay, so shift is to run. Okay. I got you. Let's go here. So, sa tingin ko yung laro na to ay pang ano lang ito, pang pagmamine. Okay, papunta tayo dito. And how to this? Okay. What? That's cool. Wait. Look at... Oh, look at that animation, dude. So, tingnan nyo ang ganda ng animation, no? Ganda ng paggawa nito. Okay. We need 6 pebbles. Give me 6 pebbles. I got 1. That's cool. What? This game is cool, dude. At hindi siya medyo hindi siya mataas ng graphics. Pero ang ganda ng mga animation. Okay guys, sa tingin ko, ito na ata magiging best game. I think. Okay? Sa tingin ko lang. Wait, may crosshair ba to? Wait lang guys, tingnan natin kung may crosshair. Shift lock. Here we go. How to shift lock? No.
A few moments later.
Okay, wait lang. Tapusin na natin itong bibigay sa atin. Ni Sensei Moro. You found a common stone in the chance. Okay. Palagi tayo tanggal agad eh. Okay, di balik tayo. Tataas agad tayo. Ooh, gabi na. Wait. Nag-umaga na. Galing naman ang animation. So, tanggalin muna natin ito. This game is cool, dude. Okay, dito tayo sa Fisho. Okay, level 10 siya. Ibibigay natin sa kanya. What do we do? Add 3 ores to the crucible. To do so, click any ore from the highest area. Just 3 ores should be more than enough for now. Don't waste it. Okay. So let's try this and this and forge. I think okay, what's it? Ano gagawin dito? What? Oh. Yeah. Galing ah. Ano gagawin naman dito? What do we do? Oh. What? Now we keep it down the mouse or skip arrow. Oh, we need to click. Okay, we need to click. Okay, I got it. I got you. For a second, I don't know what to do, but now I got it. Okay, this will be the last one. Let's break up the mold. Click the mold few times to break it. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we got more. We got more to do. What do we do? Okay, click. Oh. Oh. Sorry. Oh. Bakit naman natin kailangan to? No. Why do we need this? Sa tingin ko mayroong mga creatures dito. May nakakatakot dito. Okay, again. Okay. I'm not gonna miss this one. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, this. Jump. Oh. Okay, we need to click this. Okay. We need to click. We need to lock in. Okay.
Oh my god! Wow!
What? I'm clicking. I think I'm lagging. Oh, there we go. So, okay, now equip one of the weapons that you forged. You will set the one. Okay, we need to sell. So let's sell this. Yes. Let's go sell the one. No. No. Let's equip this. Okay, now let's go here. Takbo tayo. Ganda ng pagtakbo. Ito nyo yan. Okay, dito tayo. Press E. Now let's go sell the one others. Okay. Yes. What do we sell? This. Kasi ang pangit nito. 10 point. Okay. We got dollars. Deal. Okay. So, ilan niya? Oh, ang dami oh. 106. Okay, I'm broke. Okay. Uy, pwede pala tayo tumalon. Dito. Ito. Brown. Okay, I think we need this. And we're back. We're gonna be mining again. Oh, wait. There we go. Okay, we're here. This game is... What? Do you see this? Guys, do you see this? This game's cool. What? Ang ganda ng pag-swing. Dagger lang yan, ha? Paano pag nakuha natin yung maganda? Oh. So, gagawin na natin dito. Palagi lang tayo mag-mine. Okay. Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? What was that? What the heck was that? Okay. Ano yun? Ano yan? Ano yan? Okay, talang tayo dito. Okay. Okay, tayo dito. Okay, get this. Get this. There we go. You found rare mushroom in 22 chance. Okay. Wait, this is a mushroom too? What? What? Paano nangyari? Okay, dito tayo. What? Why can I click? This game is so broken. Or sa tingin ko yung mouse ang broken sa ano ko. Okay.
Hello there.
Ooh! Yup. Sa tingin ko talaga kailangan natin pumatay. Okay, wait lang. Kill it. Yeah, boom. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god, we're gonna die. We're gonna die, dude. We're gonna die. No. Jump. Takbo. Okay. Sa tingin ko, mahirapan ako dito kasi ang pangit pa ng ano ko. Okay, balik tayo. Let's kill him. Pak. Yep, we're gonna die.
I got this!
Yep, I died. Okay, we got a bandage though. See guys, my mouse is stuck. Okay, it's not my problem. I'm so sorry. We need to go back. Kill one zombie and collect 10 ores. Can we do? So matataas ba natin? Hindi ko alam. Oh, sino to? Okay, player yan. We need to go here. Let's go get this. And let's kill it. Kill. There we go. Finally. Let's go get this. Yeah, back. Damn. Okay. Let's get. Ano ba? Sige, ikaw ganyan ka. Lika rito. Wait, ano yung kulay blue? You can beat me. Ano to? Ano tong kulay blue na yun? Ano yun? Kita niyo ba yun? Pak. Let's get this. Meron na naman. Ano ba yan? Can you guys leave me alone, please? Just wanna mine. Just die, please. Just die. There we go. Okay, we got this. There we go. Pak. Pop. 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 And boom. Okay, we got it. What do we do? Oh wait, tinan mo yung pera ko, ang dami. Get back to the highlight location and open. Okay. We're gonna go here. I think, sa tingin ko, ang gagawin ko lang dito, I need to follow the ore. Follow the, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. Arrow, okay, arrow. Okay, gagawa na naman tayo. It's gonna be easy. Oh, wait, we got armor. What? Okay, we need to pick. Let's pick silver. And let's not pick the copper. On iron. What? There we go. And let's forge. What do we do now? We do this. Okay. And next, we need... Sa tingin ko yung larong to parang fish lang. I know. Sa center mo na siya dun. Oh, no. You can't trick me. You can't trick me. Oh, yeah. Na. Oh, this one. Oh, ang ganda nito. What's this? Ano to? We're gonna click this. Oh, sayang. No, come on. Ano to? Ano yan? Bowl ba yan? Light helmet, okay. It is pack. Oh, dalawang hit lang. What? Pack. Oh, there we go. Yeah, pack. Okay na. Point and... Ang pas mabilis yung dito. Okay, may nakikita ko sandi. Liga rito. Come here. Wala ka, boy. Nangyari. Let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get this. Yan. So, ito lang ata yung pinaka-point dito sa larong to. Kailangan mo lang talaga mag-mine. Oh, wait lang. May nakikita na naman ako. Come here. What? What can I? There we go. I can spin it. Let's go. Pak. Die. Come on, die me. There we go. Oh, may bago tayong material. Ano yan? Diamond? Diamond ba yun? Hindi ko alam. What? There we go. I'm so lagging right now. Pack. And pack. Yeah, pack. And pack. Pack. And pack. Pack. Ang dami natin kailangan na pebbles. Ano mo? 15 pa lang nakukuha natin. Dapatin na natin to. Ano ha? Okay, ako yung zombie kasi nakakapit na tayo. Oh, this is a rock. Iba to. Oh, no. Huwag tayo dyan. Okay. Okay. Please don't mind me. Please. Yes. Can we kill him? Let's go kill him. Go. Die. Wala ka sa akin doon. Wait. Ano yung ako? Pwede ba tayo mag-slide? Think ko pwede. No, I think we can. Nyompak. Okay, we got 23. Okay, we're almost there. Let's get this. Pack. Wait, bakit may banana dun? Come on, pack. Come on, give me ores. Come on, please. Yes. Wait, but there we go. Tignan tayo para hindi natin naman yun. Tignan tayo sa pebbles pack. Okay, ano na lang. 5 na lang. Please. Okay na. So, anong gagawin natin? Forge any. What do we do that? Sa tingin ko ay nang gagawin natin dito. Oh, yes. That we do. The forge. Anong gagawin? Ganun ang gagawin natin. Okay. Let's go here. Put E. At, wait. Bakit may ilagay natin banana? At, weapon na kailangan natin. We need weapon. Let's go to weapon. Press this, this, and then this.
A few moments later.
Yoink. Yoink. Oh, laki! Sa tingin ko, katana to. Yup, it's a katana. Let's go. Come on. Need to lock in. No. Come on, dude. It's almost perfect. We got a katana though. Let's go. Yushi katana. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's see. Let's grip this. Let's see. Oh! Wow! Oh! What? Wait, paano yung pag-ano natin dito? Yup, it's cool. So cool. Okay. Try ko nga sila. So guys, ayun lang for today's video. Kung gusto nyo pa maglaro nito, please subscribe and hit that like button and turn the notifications on. At mag-comment kayo kung ano naman next na lalaroin ko. At bye!
Wait so we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but you